Okay, you guys, welcome back. I went to Target today. I found two more Semester Monster Jam. This is Series 38. This is the Toro Loco Treat Street. Here, this guy's the back. I already have that Grave Digger and the other one as well. Here's the Black Pearls back there. Of course, I showed you with the other unboxing already. So it's Monster Jam, guys, with Toro Loco. I love the color on this thing. All further ado, let's go ahead and open it. Alright, hold just a minute. I think my camera's dirty. Alright, sorry guys. I thought it was clean. I thought it was dirty, my camera. Ooh, okay. I think it's a metal base, because usually these are metal bases. Here's this Toro Loco, now it's Glory, the Treat Street one. I love the paint job. Look at the flames. It's like candy sugar, which is cool. And sugar is on the front, the horns. Those look like the retro white horns Toro Loco had back then. That's what it reminds me of. And then Toro Loco, yellow roll cage, red bottom. Is it plastic? Yeah, it's plastic. The body. Because the metal base, it's metal. Toro Loco, guys. Taillightprintingmonsterjam.com. El Toro Loco. Really cool. I love how these are metal base. I'm surprised these weren't the chases. And yes, I think it is plastic. Yeah, this is plastic. It's not die cast, but still pretty cool. The only metal part is the bottom. Alright, like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More. I have one more to go. Peace out.